everyone, and welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever just need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Carr, are you ready to do something today?
I am absolutely ready for something to do today. But before we start, Mel, always make sure before you start any science activity or science experiment, always ask permission, especially when using supplies from your house.
Got it. And today we are going to need permission because we're going to be using a glue gun, some paper clips, and a scissors. Okay?
Sounds good.
All right. Oh, hold on, Carr. Let me go show you what we're doing today.
Okay. Oh, this is pretty cool.
Cool. Check that out.
That is pretty cool.
That is my CD racer. Not quite racing a lot, but you know what?
But it looks like it's a good start.
It's a good start. Someone can probably help us give us an answer of how to make it faster.
Oh.
Shall we just make one anyway?
Yeah, let's make one anyway.
All right. Okay. So first of all, you need to get a CD, any kind of CD.
Old CD.
Old CDs. Please do not use the ones that your parents are still listening to. And you're going to need a toilet paper roll.
Okay.
Okay, I did some already for you, Carr.
Okay.
I glued this on. Okay, right in the middle of the circle, you just put some glue and you just kind of glue it on.
So we're going to glue this one on
Yeah,
now?
we're going to glue that on and just in a little bit. Okay, so we'll put that on the side. And then we have 2 bottle caps with holes in them. So you're going to need to ask your parents to help you put holes in them. Okay, right through. And then we're going to use paper clip, rubber band, and I use dental floss, but you can use thread. So I've already pre-done this for us, okay? But I'm going to show you how to do the paper clip. You're just going to go ahead and grab the paper clip.
Okay.
And you're going to kind of bend it a little bit, Carr, like a T.
Oh,
so, yep.
like...
So grab the little part right there, the middle part right there, and just kind of bend it a little bit. So
like that?
So you just make a T. Right, awesome. Awesome. So that's what you're going to do. And then you're going to squeeze it a little bit. And you're just going to kind of squeeze it through here. And then you're going to add the rubber band on it. Okay.
So I got to get the rubber band through the cap.
Yeah, but we're not. I'm just showing you how we already did that already, but just wanted to show you how to bend the paper clip. Okay. All right. So now the dental floss or string, whatever you get, needs to be really long. Okay, because you want it to go through this hole through the other side.
Gotcha.
All right. So since my dental floss is really long, so Carr, can you help me?
Sure.
Can you put that through the hole? And it has to go all the way to the bottom. And whoops!
I was testing gravity for us.
You were.
Just in case.
And gravity won.
Gravity always wins.
All right. So there you go. So just making sure it goes through.
Okay.
Okay. Whoops! Gravity won again. So just making sure it goes through the bottom, and we're gonna pull. If you can pull the string for me, Carr. Pull a little bit. See? Do you see it?
Yep.
Okay, just as long as you can see it.
Okay.
We'll leave it here. So we're going to grab the glue gun, Carr. If you can grab the glue gun. And we're going to put glue right around the cap. And it's okay if it's not covered all the way because the rubber band's going to actually hold it down.
Okay.
I know, it's pretty tricky when it's pretty
It's such a thin edge.
Yeah. Okay, but no worries. The rubber band will be holding it. So we're good. We're good. Okay, so Carr, if you can hold the string down on the bottom, we're going to pull it down and we're going to put it right in the middle. So before it kind of dries, you can kind of adjust it a little bit. There we go.
Okay.
Okay. Great job. Okay, now we're going to grab the other CD. If you could grab that one, Carr.
Okay.
Okay, and so I like the shiny side. So we want the shiny side. Yep, I like the shiny side out. So we're going to go ahead and string. There you go. String it right through the hole. And we're going to put glue on here this time, on the toilet paper.
So I'm going to hold the string from underneath?
Yep. Okay, hold it. And then, like I said before, don't worry about the glue on the edge because the rubber bands are going to hold it.
Okay, good, because I'm dripping a whole lot everywhere all over the place. I'm making a huge mess.
All right, I think that's good, Carr.
Okay.
Awesome. So now we're going to glue it. Hold on to the string, pull it. We're going to glue it right onto the CD, right where the hole is. And just kind of press it down. Okay.
Cool.
Alrighty, we're almost there. So now we still have the string. Now we're going to grab the string and we're going to put it through the hole. So now this one, you're going to pull the string all the way till you see the rubber band. You see it?
Yep.
There we go. Just want to make sure it goes through. So before we pull it all the way through, we want to put some glue again. Yeah, we're going to do more glue. So tricky. So this is where we need 2 people, definitely. So put some glue right on top of the cap. No worries if there's not too much. Awesome. Okay, now we're going to just put it right on. Make sure we put it kind of in the middle of the circle. All right. Okay, so let's pull through. There, we see the rubber band. Okay, great. So you're gonna hold on to that, Carr. Now here's a skewer that I have, and I just cut a little piece off. So you can just use the scissors.
About how long is that piece?
I'd say about what? 1.5 to 2 inches, maybe.
Okay.
Yep. Doesn't have to be that big. And I just cut it off with the scissors. And then all we're gonna do is pull it through, and we're gonna stick the skewer right onto
in between the sides of the rubber band.
There you go. So now that we got that on, we can cut the string off. Okay, hold on to that. It's starting to roll already. Pull it right off. Pretty cool. And all you need to do is kind of give it a little twist and let it roll. Starting to roll. It's trying to roll.
It's trying.
It's trying to
That other one
roll.
worked a little better.
It did.
And these are made the same way?
It's made the same way.
This is pretty cool. I think this is definitely something to experiment with and to try.
And to try and see how to make it.
See, that one works. That one doesn't work.
It goes faster than yours.
Interesting.
Is it the tension?
Could be the tension. Could be
the rubber band.
I don't know. There's got to be some small nuance.
Now it's going.
Now it's moving.
This
is pretty cool. Well, guys, if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up down below. If you have any suggestions on how we can make our CD racer a little more racing, please also leave those suggestions below. And if you have an idea that you'd like to see right here on Hands on Science, let us know. And who knows, maybe we'll do your idea right here on our next episode. You can find this activity and so much more at midnightscienceclub.com. And we'll see you next time, guys.
Bye.